Welcome back to Screen Print Basics. I'm Mark Sudona, Textile Application Specialist, Graphic Solutions Group. Today we're going to go over registering our films on our screen, exposure, and washing out. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to use our registration board, and we're going to line up. This film is going to be our black print, so we taped it to the board with our center registration marks, lined it up to the top of the image, and we're going to take our next color here, this film, and we're going to put clear tape in the center on the top and the bottom. We're going to line the registration marks of this second color film up to the registration marks on our black. Once we have our registration marks lined up, we're going to take our screen, put it between the frame lines that are on the registration board, and back the frame against this aluminum ridge. Then just gently press down on the tape, and our film is going to be exactly where we want it on our screen. We'll then take our third color and repeat the same process. Lining up our registration marks and our center lines to our black. Take our next screen, line it up, and then press down on our tape. So now that we have both screens set up, we're going to go ahead and expose them. We're going to place our screen film side down onto our exposure unit. Go ahead and close our lid and start our vacuum to expose the screen. The importance of the vacuum, it's going to create a very tight seal between our screen and our film positive. That way no light or anything can get behind the film. Then we'll go ahead and release the vacuum. And our screen is ready to go ahead and wash out. First thing we're going to want to do is let them down on each side. This will start to get the emulsion to release. You can see by initially hitting with water, our image area is going to start to show itself. Then we're going to go ahead and use a little bit of pressure and wash these out. Now that my screens are washed out, I'm going to place them on my drying rack, and I place them in an angled position so all my residual water will just kind of roll off while the screen dries. Once our screens are dry, we're going to move on to the next step, which is going to be on-press registration. So we'll see you next time.